Pozdrav ljudi, evo nas prvo u CroatianGamesFB na našem igratelji Minecraft Story Mode. Ljudi, ja imam 13 subscribera. Meni je to super. Ja mislim sada imam barem 50 subscribera, ja to ne bi mogao vjerovati. Ali stvar je u tome što vi meni ne pišete, ljudi moji. Pišite mi. Ja nemam više ideja. Znači, želite li neke challenge tutoriala, ako vam nešto nije jasno, pitajte me, ja ću vam to objasniti, pokazati snimljeni klip i dajte mi savjete za nego igricu. Ako igrica bude prejaka, onda ćemo to snimiti u 4. ili 5. mjesecu, kada budem kupio dijelove za kop. A možda čak i ranije, vidjet ću kad ću platiti. Ok. Pa onda možemo. Ok. Pa onda krenuti. Ove stutan nekako najbolji. Sad ću se miješati zato što oni puno pričaju.
Nothing built can last forever, and every legend, no matter how great, fades with time. With each passing year, more and more details are lost, until all that remains are myths, half-truths. To put it simply, lies. And yet, in all the known universe, between here and the far lands, the legend of the Order of the Stone endures, unabridged as self-evident fact. Indeed, it is only a troubled land that has need for heroes, and ours was fortunate to have, so long ago, 4 heroes such as these. Gabriel, the warrior, before whose sword all combatants would tremble. Eligard, the redstone engineer, whose machines would spark an era of invention. Magnus the rogue, who would channel his destructive creativity for the benefit of all. And Soren the architect, builder of worlds, and leader of the Order of the Stone. These 4 friends together would give so much to gain their rightful place as 4 heroes. Their greatest quest would take them on a dangerous journey to fight a mysterious creature known as the Ender Dragon. In the end, the Order of the Stone emerged victorious, and the dragon was defeated. Their story complete, they slipped away into the pages of legend.
Ljudi, vi se sigurno pitate zbog čega je česta pozadina.
But when one story ends, another one begins.
Oni su ovi tamo
Would you rather fight 100 chicken-sized zombies or 10 zombie-sized chickens? Just to be clear, you wouldn't have any weapons or armor, so you...
Huh?
Huh?
What?
It's just a dumb question. Forget it. So, I've got a daylight sensor on the roof.
Mm-hmm.
And if I did this right, these lamps should turn on once it gets dark.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't want to just leave Ruben here with nothing while we're at the building competition.
He's coming with us.
Really?
What kind of question is that? Of course he
Okay,
is.
I'm not saying he shouldn't come. I'm not. But don't you think it's a little weird that you take him with you everywhere you go? He kind of makes us look like, I don't know, amateurs.
Ruben's my best friend.
I thought I was your best friend.
Both of you are.
I didn't mean anything by it. I'm glad he's coming. I just don't want to give people one more reason to call us losers. I'm getting tired of it.
Who cares what other people think?
I know. It wears you down.
You say you're not a loser, Olivia, so win.
Okay. Fine.
Did you hear that?
Oh, no.
Boom! Oh, man. You guys totally freaked out. That was
Axel, what's the matter with you?
Great. Now I'm gonna smell like a pig in Endercon.
That wasn't funny, Axel.
I brought you good times and now I'm being punished for
You
it?
scared us half to death.
Did you bring the fireworks?
Of course I did. I even brought something for the little guy.
Nice.
You brought Reuben a disguise?
We're going to a convention. Somebody's gotta wear a costume.
He looks ridiculous. The Ender Dragon was a huge dragon, not a pig.
It's a costume, Jesse. The whole point is to look ridiculous.
You definitely brought the fireworks, right?
Yes, I'm ready. Waiting on you guys.
If he was really your best friend, you wouldn't let him go outside dressed like that.
The only thing more dangerous than putting a costume on a pig is trying to take it off.
Hurry up and grab your stuff.
We'll meet you downstairs, okay?
Okay.
Okay, sa ako ponoviti ono što sam rekao sad malo prije. Nisam siguran da ste me čuli. Dobro sad ovo. Nisam svoj prije, ja sam samo zapisano priječak. Ja sam dosta stavio čet. Sigurno se pitati zbog čega je ljubiteljsta podobna. Tamo presobi za CD, preri, pušti, stop, napracija, izapravo polusom, ko koristi za projekt prije sestra, sam inženijeru, jako sam ja odakle polusom, zanimanje bila.
Gabriel, the warrior. You think we'll ever get that famous? It's not impossible. Maybe I'll get famous for my sweet poster collection. Shear's definitely taking these. Never know when I might need to shear some sheep. One of these days, we're gonna win the Endercon building competition. And when we do, people will look at us and say, hey, there goes Jesse and Reuben, winners of the Endercon building competition. They really should change the name. I got this stand as a gift, but don't have any armor to put on it. Maybe someday. Flint and steel, not too shabby.
That's everything.
Let's roll.
Yeah, dude. Roll.
Let's go.
I heard a pretty juicy rumor about the building competition, but you guys have to promise not to say anything.
Okay.
Also, it's in 2 parts, each part more exciting than the last.
Spit it out, Axel.
Part 1, the special guest at this year's Endercon is none other than Gabriel the warrior him freaking self.
Whoa, what's part 2?
Part 2, according to my sources, the winner of the building competition's gonna get to meet him. It doesn't mean anything if we lose. But if we win, oh man, this would make up for all the losing.
I wish they were all gonna be there.
Does nothing please you? You have to meet all the members of the super secret, super legendary Order of the Stone?
I wasn't saying it wasn't cool. I was just saying that would be cool, too.
So, does this source of yours make posters for a living?
Huh? Yeah, my, source, doesn't exist. You guys are my only friends.
Guys, let's stay focused. We have a competition to win.
We never win. And this year we've got Reuben with us. We basically have no chance.
We're going to win because...
What are you talking about?
Because up to now, We've hated losing. But today, my friends, we're gonna start learning how to love winning. That didn't sound as good as it did in my head.
No, I'm with that.
All right.
Wait a minute. We're thinking about this all wrong. The point of the building competition isn't just to build something. We have to do something to get noticed by the judges.
Okay then. So how do we do this?
We don't just build something functional. We build something fun. After we finish the fireworks machine like we planned, then we build something cool on top of it.
You might be onto something.
If we want to get a reaction out of the judges, you build something scary. So I say we build a creeper.
Wouldn't an Enderman be better? I'm more scared of Endermen than creepers.
They both have their moments. Both pretty scary.
Then again, you scared the crap out of us with a creeper today.
Let's build a zombie.
I guess that's kind of like a creeper.
It's a monster. It's fine.
We are so ready.
Yeah. I think this is the first time we've decided on something before getting to the competition. Think we've got everything we need?
It wouldn't hurt to grab a little more.
Let's get to grabbing then.
We're so prepared. We can't lose. Cannot. Bring it in. Dare to prepare on 3. No. Preparing is daring. No, that's the same thing. Forget it. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3. Team!
Prepare. We know what we're building. We've got all the stuff for it. We are so ready.
This year, it's going to be different. I'm not just ready to build. I'm ready to win.
Nice pig, losers.
Oh, great. There's Lucas and the Ocelots. The rivalry continues.
Man, they've got matching leather jackets and everything.
So cool.
Well. If it isn't the order of the losers.
Great. The fail squad's here.
Lucas, get a load of these losers.
Let's go, guys.
Name, please?
Axel. And how do you do?
No, your team name.
Team name? We are not ready for this.
So much for losing anonymously.
No name?
No names? Got it.
Great.
Okay, no names. You guys are in booth 5.
Nope.
Is that a freaking beacon? They have a freaking beacon? Freaking beacon?
That's stained glass. They aren't just building a beacon. They're building a rainbow beacon. We're gonna lose.
What are you worried about? We've got this.
Who are we kidding? We've got nothing.
We've got a mascot.
We should probably stop staring at them.
Ha ha ha. Look, it's the Order of the Losers again.
Good one, Gil.
We're just looking.
There'll be plenty of time for you all to look at it after it wins and gets shown at EnderCon.
You're being unpleasant.
Maybe not all of you. EnderCon doesn't allow outside food or drink. I'm talking about your pig.
Shut up.
What's that?
Jesse said, shut up. Do you need to hear it again?
I dunno. Maybe.
Stop wasting your time, Aiden. We've got work to do.
You're lucky I'm busy.
Hey, Jesse. Guys,
Hey, Petra.
how's the build going?
Only time will tell, but we're optimistic.
Hey, Petra. I forgot to thank you for that nether star.
Hey, Lucas. Not a
You
problem.
help these tools?
For the right price, I'll help anyone. If you need anything, you know where to find me.
None of us know where to find you.
Exactly.
No hard feelings, guys. And if you're cool with Petra, you're cool with us. So why don't we just forget about all this and, you know, make this about how cool our builds are?
We're cool with Petra, but you need to teach your friend some manners.
He's just trying to get in your head.
Well, have you heard the saying, it's possible to be nice and win?
Sounds like something a loser would say.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the EnderCon building competition. The winners of this year's competition will have their build featured at EnderCon. The winners will also meet, in person, Gabriel the Warrior.
Ocelots! Ocelots! Ocelots!
Whoa, handshake? We don't have a handshake.
We'll just make one up. We'll call it the... the Redstone Rap.
No leaving the designated crafting areas for any reason. And please try not to damage each
And just like that, I'm nervous again.
Don't talk like that. We can do this. Just stick to the plan and everything will be fine. We may not have a name, but still, this year, we can't lose.
Let's do it.
Building starts now.
Oh no! A fireworks dispenser! I'm so scared!
You worry about your build, and we'll worry about ours. And now, the moment of truth.
Here goes nothing. This looks so cool. We'll win this for sure.
How could anyone not love a zombie? Good call, Jesse.
Guys, people are looking at us.
Good build, man! What? No way. It's just a bunch of dyed wool! Whoops.
Oh no, Ruben's on fire! Ruben, no, come back!
It was Aiden, that
The
punk.
lava's getting
Gonna
closer.
ruin the build.
Ruben's going to get lost. We've got to do something.
But our build is about to go up in flames.
Come on, Axel. Jesse needs our help.
Let's go. Oof.
We're right behind you.
Ah.
I don't see him anywhere, Ruben.
The sun's going down. We got to find him fast.
He could have gone anywhere, and this part of the woods is huge.
We stand a better chance of finding him if we split up.
If either of you get lost, just use the lights from EnderCon to make your way back to town. Got it?
Got it.
Reuben? Where are you? Just give me an oink if you can hear me. Pig tracks. Reuben, I don't want to be out here in the dark. Just oink. Hey, Reuben. I got a carrot for you. Where are you, buddy? Reuben, are you in there? Reuben! Stupid pigs. Reuben! No, not you, but pigs. Hey, all pigs but Reuben, shut up. Yeah. Reuben, it's getting scary out here. Reuben, is that you? Reuben? Reuben! Oh no, you in there, buddy? Oh, jeez, please don't be toasted, Reuben.
Yeah.
Yeah! Reuben, there you are. Hey, buddy, you want a carrot? Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Reuben, run! Whew. I think we're good. I think we made it. Ow! Stay behind me. I got you. stupid wooden swords. I know it's bad. I'll think of something. You're gonna have to make a run for it, okay? I'll meet you back in town, I promise. Get out of here now! Get off me!
Come on, let's get out of the open.
Ljudi, kako stiče ove epizode, hvala vam što ste gledali. Sam sljedeća epizoda. Ako vas video,
I want to show you something.
subscribe, hit to.
Not that this isn't a really cool, dimly lit tunnel, but